When you purchase a new fence, we will be happy to tear down and haul away your existing fence for an additional fee. Your salesperson will detail the costs involved as you discuss your sales contract. The fence drawing will show where the new fence is to be installed and any existing fence which needs to be removed. Our professional team will remove your existing fence normally on the day of installation. The current fence posts will be cut just below grade in order to remove each panel. The panels are removed and stacked for hauling away. The team begins the installation of your new fence by establishing a line where the new posts are to be installed. Each new post is dug to the appropriate depth, and your new fence is installed.